Yes, hi children. In the first session, we came to know about globe. Yes, in this session, second session, we are going to know about the latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. Yes, latitudes are horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are parallel lines. Are parallel lines. Yes, can you see actually the lines on the earth? Can you see lines on the earth? We can't see. We cannot see the lines on the earth. Any person cannot draw lines on the earth. But these are imaginary lines. These are imaginary lines. That's why these are parallel lines. Yes, if you see the zero line is the Tropic of Cancer. Yes, this is northern lines and northern latitudes and southern latitudes are there. The Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Cancer 23 here 23 and half north, that is 23 and half north, 23 degrees and half north latitude. North latitude is called Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Capricorn, (23 and half) south latitude. Yes, this is 23 and half south latitude. South latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. And Arctic Circle, the Arctic Circle 66 and half north, and Antarctic Circle is 66 and half south, 66 and half south. Yes, here south latitude and north latitude. Yes, here this is 66 and half south latitude, this is 66 and half north latitude. Yes, if you observe on the globe, you can be able to locate the place. You can be able to understand or identify the place. Yes, if you have to go to any country, we must see these latitudes and longitudes. For what purpose we are using? To identify a place, to locate a place. For that purpose only we can use latitudes and longitudes. Yes, here latitudes are also called as parallel lines. And regarding climate also, yes, while we are discussing about climate, we can discuss about while we are changing the latitudes, climate also will be changing. If you go to from equator to Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, climate will be changing. Yes, while we are changing the latitudes, climate also will be changing. And then what are we can know about the longitudes? Now we are going to know about longitudes. Yes, Yes, these are the longitudes. Yes, the vertical lines on the globe. The vertical lines on the globe. Yes, the vertical lines on the globe are called as longitudes. These are also imaginary lines. The imaginary vertical lines. The imaginary vertical lines are called as longitudes. And these longitudes are also called as meridians. These longitudes are also called as meridians. Meridians means these will be showing the time. Meridians will be indicating the time. They will indicate time. They will indicate time. See how many longitudes are there and which is the central longitude. This is the zero longitude. Here this is the zero longitude. Zero longitude is prime meridian. This is called as prime meridian or Greenwich longitude. This is also called as Greenwich longitude. Greenwich longitude. It is in the center of the earth. It is going through London city, London in England. Greenwich longitude will be going through London city. And if you see, this is dividing the earth into two halves. Dividing the earth into two halves. This is eastern hemisphere. This is western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. If you understand, for example, yes, this is eastern hemisphere and this is western hemisphere. Here the Greenwich longitude is dividing, the earth into two parts, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, and two halves. This is dividing into two halves. Yes, here the zero longitude is also called as prime meridian. It is also called as prime meridian. And these longitudes will show time. What they will show? Longitudes will show time. Yes, from one longitude to another longitude, how much time? Do you know how much time? Every longitude, 4 minutes time. Yes, from one longitude to another longitude, how much time is there? 4 minutes time. And total, how many longitudes are there? Do you know about that? In eastern hemisphere, how many longitudes are there? 180. 180 eastern longitudes are there. Yes, and west also 180. When all 180 west longitudes are there and another 180 eastern longitudes are there. Total how many longitudes? 180 plus 180. 360 longitudes. 180 plus 180. Total how many? 360 longitudes are there. Yes, we have to know about all these longitudes and latitudes. Why? They are very, very important to know, to locate a place, to identify a place. If you have to go to any place, you must, while we are utilizing GPS system, Global Positioning System. What is GPS? Global Positioning System. And while we are going to a city, yes, in Madras or Hyderabad, even in our Visakhapatnam, all the cars, the cabs, they are arranging GPS system. Yes, if you go to any Gazuwaka place, if they will click on the Gazuwaka and it will be showing the direction. which direction we have to go. This is called GPS system. GPS means global positioning system. Global positioning system. Yes, by utilizing, we are using the GPS system and we are identifying the place. Earlier, we have to ask anybody how to go, in which direction we have to go, we will ask the people. But nowadays, there is no need to ask anybody. Directly, the GPS system is showing the way. How the GPS system is working? Do you know? Do you know how the GPS system is working? Only on the basis of these longitudes and latitudes. Yes, GPS system is working on the basis of longitudes and latitudes only. That's why we have to know about longitudes and latitudes. Yes, longitudes are the meridians. Longitudes are not merging. Longitudes will be merging, latitudes won't be merging. That's why here the longitudes 180 plus 180, total how many longitudes are there? Total how many longitudes? 360. Each longitude how much time? 4 minutes. 360 into 4 minutes. Yes, 360 into 4 minutes. Yes, how many minutes will come? 1440 minutes. 1440 minutes divided by per hour. How many minutes per hour? 60 minutes is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours time. That means total earth is having how many longitudes? 360 longitudes. And how many minutes? Total minutes, one longitude to another longitude. How many minutes time? 4 minutes time. That means 360 into 4 is equal to 1440 minutes divided by 60 minutes. 24 hours will come. That means the earth rotation, the rotation of the earth will be completed within 24 hours. Within 24 hours. In that way, our geographers and scientists, they calculated the time and they calculated the longitudes also. That's why here the longitudes and latitudes we have to understand like this. And this is the international time, international standard time. Greenwich Mean Time is Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, is the international standard time or world standard time. International standard time or world standard time. That's why it is the international standard time. From Greenwich Mean Time to India, as how many hours difference? 5.5 hour difference between WST and IST, Indian Standard Time. 5.5 hours difference is there. Yes, this in this way we can calculate the time. Yes, here the longitudes are using for time, utilize the time, and AM and PM, ante-meridian and post-meridian. Yes, we are calculating the time. Yes, our school will be reopening at 2 p.m. and opening in the morning 8:30 a.m. Like that, we are identifying the time as AM and PM. AM means ante-meridian. This is morning time, ante-meridian. This is afternoon and evening time, post-meridian. Yes, here ante-meridian and post-meridian. Yes, on the basis of longitudes only we are calculating the time as ante-meridian and post-meridian. Yes, longitudes are helpful for us for identifying the time and identifying the place also. and latitudes also are using for location of the place. That's why these longitudes and latitudes are very, very useful for us, and without these we cannot locate any place. And then what is a grid system? Yes, we have to understand the grid. Grid system. Grid means both longitudes and latitudes. Yes, we know about the latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are horizontal lines or parallel lines. Longitudes are vertical lines. Yes, now what is a grid system? Grid system means both the combination of latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. Yes, that means, children observe here, these are latitudes. These are longitudes. Yes, both latitudes and longitudes. This combination, grid system. What is grid system? Grid system means both latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes combinedly called as grid system. This is called grid system. Yes, without grid system we cannot locate a place or we cannot locate an area. Yeah, this is called a network of straight lines that cross over each other. The network of straight lines that cross over each other and form square is called grid. Yes, this is called forming a square is called grid. Here it is the combination of longitudes and latitudes, and here forming the square. Combination of longitude and latitude and forming the forming a square, that is called a grid. Now grid means both latitudes and longitudes. Take for example Delhi. How to identify Delhi? Delhi 28 degrees north latitude and longitude is 77 degrees east longitude. Yes, that's why both with the help of latitude and longitude we can identify Delhi. Yes, here any city or any country in the world we have to identify with the help of grid. Yes, to identify a city or place. To identify a place, yes, grid is useful. That's why in this lesson we came to understand that the globe is a model of the earth. Yes, with the help of the globe we can understand the earth. We cannot go to each and every corner on the earth. That's why we can understand about the earth with the help of the grid, with the help of the globe. Yes, this is the end of the lesson. Lesson is completed and we have to understand about the globe.